I just got my box from House of CB, my package, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna open it up on camera. It's my first time ordering from them. So final review. Oh, this is really nice. And thank you for your purchase. Looks like some little bit of an infographic. Ooh, wait a minute, hold on, make sure my oh, okay, personal information is not on here, but if I needed to send it back, that's what I would use. How's that? Little satchel. Now I ordered the Maryland dress in green for a wedding that I'm going to be attending. So what is this? Important, do not remove unless unsatisfied with the fit. So I guess this is one of those security things you have to keep on. Oh my god, it feels so nice. I'm loving the texture. And then let's see, I got it in the pistachio green. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna try it on and then let me know what you guys think. It's good for a wedding. I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, this is how it looks. Now, I did struggle a little bit, only because this is super fitted, more than I thought. I gained some weight, so I'm glad I didn't get the medium, because I didn't think I was gonna get into this. Well, no, I knew I was gonna get into it. It's just that it gave me the snug fit that I was looking for. So if I would have gotten a medium, I don't think I would have gotten into that bad boy. We would have been really struggling. Only because it's the upper part. So this is what it looks like. It looks like in the back. I'm loving this. I hope this is good for a wedding. I think I'm like, it says be formal. I'm not wearing white, but I do get a little nervous wearing softer colors. But clearly you can see that this is green. Like, it looks green on camera, it looks green in person. Contemplating if I want to get like a backup dress, like just in case. But you know, these dresses are expensive, so they cost like, this one was like $300. I think it retails for $289, so a little over $300 when you accumulate all the taxes and stuff and shipping. But yep, so this is what that looks like. Let me know what you think. If you think this is too like, girl, don't wear that to no wedding. Let me know in the comments. I really, really want to know, like, because I want to look good. I want to look good. And let me see what the the wedding details. It says attire formal. So let me know if this is giving formal. You know? Let me see. Yeah. Formal, cocktails, dinner, dancing. I feel like this would be really cute to kind of like, at that. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is incredible. But also thinking about like, when would I wear this again? I don't know when I would wear this again. But knowing me, we will figure out an event or something, costume, whatever. We'll figure it out. But I think this is really, like I said, it's very gorgeous. I really do like it. So yeah, you know, if it's too much, if it's giving, yes, you can definitely wear that to a wedding. If not, let me know. I'm honestly asking for your thoughts on that. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.